This is the TMEST type 2 compressor, which is specially designed for the laser cutting machinery. This compressor is 15 kilowatts. This part is the air compressor. The pressure can be 15.5 bar. And this one is using the rated air valve. You can see the pressure dew point is 0 Celsius degree. And these are the precision filters for the air treatment. The air receiver tank for this compressor is about 150 liters. And this compressor is for this laser cutting machinery. The laser power is 4 kilowatts, and the materials which is under cutting is 4 millimeters carbon steel.